Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be some outgoing Happy Mail. I have been trying to catch up on my swaps and stuff like that, and this is some mail that's going to be going out to my friend Alicia, and I hope she enjoys every little bit of it. But she was doing a flat mail challenge, so I created some flat mail for her, and this is what it looks like. I used a lot of the Maggie Holmes, I can't remember the name of the collection. Oh, I think it's Darling, Oh Darling or something like that. Oh Darling. So I used a lot of that collection. I put some thickers here with her name on it and just decorated a little bit, stitched up the whole thing for her. And then inside I just added some goodies for her. I just gifted her some clips, gifted her some stickers in here. In this little baggie right here, I added some little ephemera pieces from the collection. Is it from the, I think some cut aparts in that one, because I did make her a little ephemera pack right here of the collection. And then one of my handmade cards, I gifted her one of those. So that's everything that I put inside of her little flat mail. And as you guys know, if you've been watching me, Alicia has been extremely generous, and I'm not sure if it's going to be before or after this video that I'm going to post this package that she sent me while I was sick, you guys. And I've been meaning to post it, but I just wasn't filming at all. But if it's not before this video, it'll definitely be after. So definitely be on the lookout for that, you guys. She put together an amazing package for me. And Alicia, if you're watching, I am extremely grateful for you as a human, as a friend, as a fellow crafty person. It's just, you are such a sweetheart, and I appreciate you so much, and I really do hope you enjoy your package of goodies, because you more than deserve it for how generous and sweet you have been to me. And yeah, so let me show you what I did. Well, if you guys, I think I posted this suitcase. I did a project share on it. So I decided to fill it up for her and send it over to her with some goodies. So we're going to open it up. And I'm going to show you what I put inside for her. Oops, it came apart. So in this little pocket right here, I added a bunch of goodies for her. I gave her some of those clips that I made. Those little pom-pom clips, which are these, if you guys saw my video. And then, let me take everything out here without ruining anything. I gifted her the rosettes that I had hand stitched, so she can decorate and use in her Happy Mail. I gave her this cute little chipboard of a unicorn. I gave her one of my handmade little shaker bags. Cute little pack of Cowie stickers from Michaels. And then I gave her this cute little self-adhesive, like little flower epoxy sticker. So those are all the little goodies that I stuck in here for her. And put that like that. And then the little clips in here. And then on this side, I'm not sure if I ever did a video on this, but I made one of these little bags that everyone's making. These little kind of like clear plastic shaker bags that you can fill up with some goodies. I am going to be gifting her this little bag with a little shaker. And inside, it's just some little tags that I'm not sure if I posted those either, but I made some cute little shaker tags. And there's 3 of them in there. I put some crinkle paper, and she can just unwind it and open it and enjoy the little goodies and save the little bag. So I put that in there for her. I also gifted her all the little goodies that I made using some new dies that I had. And then I also gifted her these cute little embellishments that I made, inspired by, I think it's Liz Russell who made them. They're cute little like open books. Embellished little open books. I think I have one loose around here that I can probably show you guys. Let me see. Yes, I do. They look like this. Super cute little like open books with like the layering of the books, the pages. So I gifted her 2 of those. And that is what I have inside the suitcase for her. I do plan to add a few more things to the box, but these are just the little handmade goodies that I'm going to be sending her way, and I wanted to share with you guys. You guys already seen the little suitcase that I made. If not, definitely check out the video. But yes, these are some goodies for Alicia, and I'm also going to send her one of these little box of flowers that I had made. One of them is for her. But yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.